friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As in the previous video, we have discussed this dashboard which is on Flutter base, and this is a taxi booking app. It is in Flutter. Go through the previous video where I explained this design of dashboard design, and also I have explained the setup and the common classes. Before starting this video, please refer that video so you can understand what view, how to use view model, and how to use the class, and how to create a common color so you can use over all the project. So this is the dashboard. When user click on this, it will go to this page, and when user click on this, it will move to the first page. Okay, so this is our logic. We will see how it is implemented, and this implementation is fully in view model MVVM. Now first of all, you have to create a class called a write detail, which will extend a stateful widget. Okay, and you have to override by using this line. Then you have to create a next class called write detail state, which will extend this class. Then write this variable, declare this variable, this view model. This view model is already explained in previous video. Please refer the previous video. And then on initiate, call this method get data. Okay, this also I have explained in previous video. And as it is MVVM, so we have to use a change notifier provider, which will return a location view model. So from here we will start a UI. So first of all, we have to use column. So this is column in which we have two column. This is first column, this is second column. Okay, so in the first column we have added children called a container. This in the container we have add padding. Okay, I will show you some trick. If you have added this column and forget to add this padding, so what you have to do, uh, cursor over here, click Alt plus Enter. You will get wrap with padding. So when you click on the wrap with padding, it will automatically add this code, this much code. So always use wrap, so you don't you don't be confused in this open and closing bracket, because closing bracket will come after this bracket. So always use wrap widget, so you will avoid all the errors. Now in padding for mm, this padding. So in the padding, I have added a column in which first is row. Okay, first in row I have added this icon button for close. This is inbuilt function, you can use, you don't have to use any nugget or any library. And then after that you have to use you have to add this text by using a text widget. Okay, so in this you have to use expanded, so it will expand over all the space, and aligned center. Then after you have to use size box. Is a size box of height 20. Then container. Okay, this is container for showing the text box for pickup and the drop off. So this is amazing. This is inbuilt function. When you click on this, it will create a label which will push up and it will give a hint here. You can see here. This is provided by Flutter itself. You don't have to use any library. So for that you have to use a text field. Okay, a decoration. So if you don't use this field is equal to true, it will by default fill with snow color. So if you want to change the color, you have to use a field is equal to true and field as color. Field color as set color as you want. I have used a secondary color, and hint text is pickup, so it will show this hint, and label text is pickup, so it will go use a label text. Okay, now this material, if you don't use this material, it will throw error. It will not recognize the text field. So to add a text field you have to use a material. Okay, so again I have to use another text box. Same, I have used material. In the material I have used a container, and in that container I have added a text field, this text field. Okay, so same field true, and the field color and the label and the hint text I have changed to drop off. Now again I have added a size box, height 20, to show this space. Then add this container. Okay, add this container to show this border, and in container we have added row 2, and in that row I have added a icon button for this and the text. Okay, to show the select on map. See, and you have to compulsory use this icon size, otherwise it will take by default. Now this container should be wrapped with alignment as center left, otherwise it will show in the middle. So use a center left, so it will align in center. Now to show this list view. So this list view is dynamic. This is coming for location view model. So first of all you have to use consumer and the view VM where you have to show in the list view. Then this builder context view model, this is a variable name, and the child. So in the view model, at this location view model where we have already initialized here and the get data. Okay, we have already populated that data. We can assign to this variable, and we will check if it is null. Then we will show that any message you can show here. It will not show a list view, it will show a text. If it is not empty, then it will show a list view. First of all you use a expanded, so it will take a overall space. Then in the expanded use a container. Okay, so you can change the color of the background as and in the container I have added a list view dot builder. And in the I have removed all the padding because padding is in the this template. Scroll direction vertical, so it will direct scroll vertical. And item count, the number of item is there. Okay, so this you have to mention. Then you have to get the data from index. Index is coming from your item builder index. So list view will give your index and pass that index in the location list. So pass that location in the this template. Okay. Now we will go to the template. First of all, we will create a constructor of this area sport card, so you can get the data which we have to show here. Okay, so create the constructor. If you don't create constructor, you cannot write this. It you cannot pass from it here. So write create the constructor here, then overwrite a build. Return card. Always return a card if you are using a template. Evaluation should be 0. Elevation should be 0, because if you don't use evaluation, it will show here some border here which is not looking good. So you have to use evaluation. You can try by removing this property. You can see the result. Then shape as a rectangle round that rectangle border to show a round corner. After that, I have added a container. In the container, I have added padding to show the space, and then I have added column. So this is a cross axis is equal to start. So it will start from the start here, left side, or else it will start from the center. So use a start cross axis alignment. Then add a text here. This is text. Then use a row and add two text. One icon button and the text. Then add text. This is also text. This is also text. Okay. Then I'm using a size box to show this space. Then I have used a text. Okay. So you can see this is coming from the this view model property. Okay, so this is not static, this is full dynamic. To show the to see the draw this line, use a divider, again text and divider. In this way you can create this UI. Okay, so it is very simple. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you.